Today's video is regarding HP Officejet Pro 8035 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridge. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, open the front door like this, and ink cartridge chamber door we have to lift it up, and once we do that, simply go to the ink cartridges. To remove the ink cartridge, there is a lock here, so press it and take the ink cartridge out. So it's very easy to remove the ink cartridges from here. To install the ink cartridge, simply place the new ink cartridge in its position and then press it down. Match the color and the alphabets here. So once we install the ink cartridge, we have to close the ink cartridge chamber door. Now to close the ink cartridge chamber door, press this section down and it will close itself. And close the front door by just pushing in. Go to the display panel and you will see if there is any error or update, and just wait for the installation to finish. Once you see the main screen, that means your printer is ready and ink cartridges are installed properly. Thanks for watching.